So meet, yeah man, meet some of my fans them where I watch them all over the place now. Yes, sir, bossy.
Party, what go on?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
So you love it in Jamaica, you know, and Treasure Beach area.
Yeah, man, it's nice and beautiful, man.
Yeah,
and
man.
Beautiful people, and you know, so it's done already, man. And everything is here. Everything is here. Up.
Yeah man, so you don't want to big up nobody over the world, if I know some people that watch it, you know.
Yeah, well, you know, anybody that knows Jamaica, you know, all the life go already, man.
Yeah man. So
All the life go already.
alright, sir?
You know, say a Fire Reid that week.
Yeah man. So you have a blessed day, me to your area and show the people they want to go and say St. Elizabeth nice, you know?
Yes, definitely.
Manners and respect, man.
Manners here,
Have a blessed day, you know?
Bless up.
One love. Yeah man. Cool. Yeah man. So meet up some lovely fans them, show them where I go and say you think out the road, you know. Think that road, man. So don't feel no way. You think that road, so I show them where I go and I walk in, you know. I walk and show them where I go and no matter what the terrain, because you know say after the storm, you know say a whole heap of things happen at St. Elizabeth. And we still do what we're supposed to do same way and show them where I go on, you know. Yeah man. So no matter what your road condition, them road are some fix up and thing, but we are showing how to get to Lashings, you know? Yeah man, we are showing how I go on. One love and one heart, my beautiful people. So, yeah man, indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, you can indicate and I do a different type of video today where I walk and show the area and you know what you go. Like up the video, share the video. Free of cost. Yeah man. I'm showing the sign them in the landmark them and showing where I go on. See it? So we sign a point. Yeah man, straight ahead. We'll take you to Treasure Beach. Yeah man. So I go to the Lashings area at this sign right here. Yeah man. St. Elizabeth. Place to be, you know. So you have a lot of places in Treasure Beach area. You have Jack Sprat. You have Lashings, which I think you have two Lashings down here. I think we have the restaurant and also the hotel, the guest house, yeah. At the same time, now look at the house I sell, so you can see what I go on. And if you don't want a piece of property if you buy, you know, see what I go on, you know. Yeah man, I tell you, the sun kind of look a bit hot today. So when you come them place, yeah, you walk them journey, yeah. You have to walk with your water and keep hydrated, you know? You might have to walk with your water. Now watch the road still, but hopefully soon, them can fix the road here. What this being people? What you call this? Yeah man. This are the merengue, you know? Merengue. This good. This come like is an antibiotic. Yeah man, say a lot of bushes around, a lot of trees where they're good for a lot of ailments in the body, you know. Yeah man, it's at the seaside. You can see Hurricane Melissa do some damage over there. And this is where we come to Lashings. Yeah man, coconut still up on tree, or fresh jelly good for wash off on the heart. So we walk Lashings area. We don't really go over there, you know, but at least you have an understanding how to get to this area, you know? Yeah man, how to get to Lashings. All them building up on the seaside, Look like it abandoned and thing, but I don't know if nobody there, if they must sell the property. I don't know who they buy the property. A good investment, I don't think people. Yeah man, see the sign there? Lashings Beach Club. So leave in the comment section if you ever come to Lashings before and tell me what you think about this area. I've been here before and it's a nice place, food nice and everything. Yeah man, so I don't need to come to St. Elizabeth and enjoy the ambience of St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth. Can't stop calling St. Elizabeth because that's where I come from. And I like it, I love it. Walk and tour the place, man. This is like it's a villa right here too. One time you used to go walk and go down on the seaside. Don't know what it look like anymore. Yeah man, so I would say a lot of villas in that area, you know, so leave it so go on, you know. Look at the view, my beautiful people. Look at them place there. Bay villas over there. Wow. Yo, man, I tell you see that breeze here? The breeze here feel good. Yeah, man. Breeze here feel nice with people. So yes, people, remember to like up the video free of cost. And we are showing you the beautiful side of Jamaica. Yeah man, in a positive way. So always remember to share the video. One love, one heart. Your tour guide, Fire Reid.